Yeah, yeah. Let go. Yeah, yeah. If you wanna know what Chef Dice cooking in the kitchen, then you better get to looking in the kitchen. If you wanna know what Chef Dice cooking in the kitchen, then you better get to looking in the kitchen. If you wanna know what Chef Dice cooking in the kitchen, then you better get to looking in the kitchen. If you wanna know what Chef Dice cooking in the kitchen, then you better get to looking in the kitchen. Chef Dice, what up? Dice, what up? Chef Dice, what up? Dice, what up? Chef Dice, what up? Dice, what up? Chef Dice, what up? Dice, get up. If you wanna know what Chef Dice cooking in the kitchen, hit that button first play. Get to looking in the kitchen, hit that like, hit that subscribe. You gotta show that love. There's loyalty run a long way like a dove. Chef Dice, what up? Dice, what up? Chef Dice, what up? Dice, what up? Chef Dice, what up? Dice, what up? Chef Dice, what up? Dice, what up?
Yes, sir. Welcome to your boy channel. About to make it happen again in this good kitchen. So we have right here, we have a whole bird. You know what I'm talking about? So I want everybody to pass the word about this channel. Your boy cooking a whole bird. You hear me? So what I'm finna do right now, I'm finna introduce you to my little seasoning and the rub. You hear me? So what I have right here, I have some garlic spread. Boom. Use some of this right here. Look at that right there. Some garlic spread, y'all. You know, we'll put some of that. Right there. We want that bird to be nice and juicy. That's that on there right there. So we're gonna put this put this out the way, you know what I mean? Get that out the way. Now if it's to chop that little bird. You know, so we're gonna split this bad boy down the middle. You hear me? Let me get a nice little angle with it. Boom, there we go. One of my favorite knives right here, you know. Alright. Get up in that bad boy. You want to open it right up. Just like that there. I don't care about the neck. You know what I mean? I already cleaned it out. I rinsed it real good, let him soak, you know what I mean? All that good stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hands real quick. Alright, so what I have in the skillet is some extra virgin olive oil. We're gonna do, we'll get this bird a nice little color to it. And once we give it a nice little color, then we're gonna hit it with the seasoning and that good rub right there. You hear me? So I ain't gonna do nothing to it just right now. Not yet. You know? Extra virgin olive oil over here getting hot. Boom. Woo, that bad boy still wet. That bad boy still a little wet, y'all. Move this out the way real quick. Wash my hands again. Yes, sir. So we'll get this bad boy a nice little color each side. Now your boy want to be extra juicy, you hear me? Extra, extra juicy. Okay, it's good now. Turn it up a little more. I know usually everybody, you know what I mean, some people would just throw that seasoning on there and then hit both sides because you want that seasoning to stick. That's gravy too, you hear me? You can do it, you know what I mean, however you want to. But what I'm gonna do is a different way. I'm gonna rub that bad boy down, and then I'm gonna let that bad boy hit that seasoning with it, and it's gonna stick just like that there. I was like, man, let me go ahead and pull out this bird, you hear me? Get rid of the old and come back with the new, you hear me? For real. That beef freezer be so full. Man, I be like, man, what's down there? I don't want to go through all that meat, but finally getting through this bad boy. Alright, there we go right there. Just talking. You know what I mean? You just want to give it a nice little color. Nice little color. My oven already preheated. It's already nice and ready. You can put it on 400, 350, however you want to do it. I'm just going to let it cook, do a still on the oven. And then once it's finished doing what we're doing in the oven, we'll get to the next. You know, we'll have some nice potatoes with this bad boy. A nice little simple meal for this good Thursday, you hear me? All the good family and friends. Tomorrow, that good, you know what I mean, Fish Fry Friday, you hear me? Fish Fry Friday. Alright, boom. Ooh, gotta get it over. Gotta get it over. That's another thing I like about this part right here, because whatever is stuck on the meat, inside the meat, that don't belong there, it's just to come right off. This hot grease is gonna take it right off, you know what I mean? Ooh, it's popping. That bad boy is popping, really. It's popping. Calm down, rookie. Calm down, rookie. Calm down. Turn that boy down some. So like I was saying, it's you know, whatever don't belong on the meat that I didn't get off. There you go, right there. That's gonna take it right off. That's what I'm talking about. Do your thing, pimp. Do your thing, pimp. Alright, so now what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go ahead and let this bad boy, I'm gonna take it out. Put it in my bake pan right here. And I'm gonna let it cool down so I can get that nice rub in and season the right way, the way I want to. So I'm gonna let it rest for like 10 to 15 minutes so it can cool down. Alright, so we let this bad boy rest for 10 minutes. Boom. So we'll go ahead with our Italian seasoning first. We'll get all over that bird. You hear me? All over that bird. Remember, a bunch of herb. So you can use as much as you want. Boom. You know what I'm talking about? Boom. You know what I'm talking about? Don't sleep on it. Alright, so that's when the rub come in. Because you want this seasoning right here to stick. For real. Everything else stuck. It's gonna stick. But this right here, you know. Alright, we go hit it with the other hand, you know. Want that seasoning to stick. Look at it. Yeah. Boom. Now I'm gonna flip that bad boy over. That's gonna be nothing but a nice juicy flavor right there. Alright. That's that right there. Let me wash my hands real quick. Chipotle. That bacon Chipotle ain't no joke. So y'all don't sleep on it. Yep, don't sleep on it, y'all. Don't sleep on it. There we go right there. Gotta put some more of that on the list. And we just go hit it with the Italian. That's it. Straight Italian. So there we go right there. You know what I'm talking about? That's the bird right there. You said. Now we're gonna put some of this extra virgin olive oil in here. Not much, but a little something. You know, we want that bird. You know, let's go that juice go start coming out that bird. You know. Alright. Now we're gonna leave it just like that. Throw some aluminum foil over that bad boy. Throw it in the oven. Let it do what it do. You hear me? Ain't gonna take no more than an hour, 30 minutes to 2 hours. That's it. You hear me? So after I'm satisfied with the cooking, I'm gonna take that aluminum foil off, flip it over, and boom, let that heat just, you know what I'm talking about? Give it a nice color to it. Alright, so I have these little potatoes, you know what I mean? So what I did, I picked out all the matter of fact, you know what? I'm gonna do these too. I'm gonna do the regular color potatoes. But I had the little red ones in here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna rinse these. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna boil these in some cold water. The reason why I say cold water, because you want everything to cook at the same time. The outside and the inside. You know what I mean? Because if you do hot water, then it's gonna start boiling. You gonna cook the outside before you cook the inside. You hear me? It ain't gonna come out too good. So I'm supposed to rinse this real good. And we go boil this with some cold water. So everything cook at the same time. Alright, so we got the potatoes. They've been boiling for like 15 minutes. So we'll go ahead and drain this water out. Rinse it real good. Okay, so here we go right here. I let it sit in some cold water, let the cold water run on it. Just stop the cooking. So what we're gonna do now, we'll go ahead and, it say this is no salt, but what we want, I want salt, you know what I mean? So we'll go pour some of this in here, a whole lot of it. Okay, that's that right there. Then we're gonna throw some sea salt in there. You know what I'm talking about? Throw some good sea salt in there. Alright. So we're gonna let that sit back. No, it's not gonna be salty or nothing, you know what I mean? Just watch and see how your boy do this. All right, we're gonna take our garlic spread. Boom. We'll put it right here. A little more. Put this on the list, but we need some more garlic spread. I want a couple of these, all right? Alright, so we got the garlic spread right there. Oh. Then we got some butter. You know what I mean? You use whatever butter you want. You know what I'm talking about? A little more butter. Boom. Alright, boom. So there we go right there. So this going in the microwave, and we'll let this come together like cheddar, like it's supposed to. So we're gonna put this to the side because we ain't gonna start this yet. We still have the chicken in there. We already took the aluminum foil off that bad boy, you know what I mean? So all together it's gonna be like 1 hour and 30 minutes for that whole bird, you hear me? This right here. We want all this to come together, you know. We want that. Just like that. It ain't cooking no more. None of that. So we want that salt water. We're gonna let that sit in there for about, I say about 5 minutes or so. You know what I'm talking about? Okay, so what I did, I just patted these dry. So we're gonna do with these bad boys now. I'm gonna go ahead and set them up. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a napkin, just put it in here like this here. We'll smash it. You know what I'm talking about? Just smash it. Boom. Once we smash it, you know, like that there, you know, just put it on your parchment paper, you hear me? You know, just smash them. Boom. Just like that there. And no, I didn't rinse them. I just took them out the sea salt. Took them out the sea salt and no salt. Just took them out and boom. Here they go. And you know where it's going. They're going straight in the oven. You know what I'm talking about? Okay, they all smashed now. So we have 6 minutes left for the bird. I turned it over and it kind of like broke up on me, broke a little bit on me. You know what I mean? Well, broke in half. So we're gonna hit it with this no salt. You know what I mean? You know. Hold on, let me get it nice and white. I've been having this for a long while. You know what I mean? I use it every now and then. All right. You know, I hit it with a little bit of that no salt. Boom. All right, there we go right there. Now, the little mix that we made, what that your boy made right here. You know what I'm talking about? You just go, you know, just put it on there. Just like that there. So we're gonna have a little 2-in-1. We're gonna have a little garlic, the butter, you know what I mean? That's all you gotta do. Boom. Just like that there. So we just waiting for the chicken finish. And then it's going in the oven. We're gonna have these bad boys on the plate. You hear me? So here we go right here. It's that nice bird. You know what I'm talking about? You hear me? Look at that. Little potato. I have to, you know what I mean, go all the way in, throw a little bit of cheese on there. You know what I'm talking about? Not much, just a little something. You know, just a little something. Boom. Throw a little parsley on that bad boy. A little parsley. But other than that, your boy did his thizzle. For sheezy. You know what I'm talking about? For sheezy. Your boy did his thing right here in this good love in my kitchen. You know, had to come at the good family and friends with a nice little cool, quick recipe. You know. And like I say, that right there fed a family of 4. You know what I mean? 2 adults and 2 kids. Yes. The potatoes, they loved it. Everybody loved it. You know what I mean? So, you know, you don't got to work too hard in the kitchen. Just throw something nice and simple together. Something like this here. Other than that, your boy had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget, hit that bell, all notifications, like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless.